The 2026 Toyota Corolla Hatchback starts at an MSRP of $24,580 and introduces a new retro-inspired FX Special Edition, which replaces the previous Nightshade trim. This model continues to prioritize efficiency and safety, offering up to 41 mpg on the highway and standardizing driver assistance features like blind spot monitoring across all trims.
Models and pricing. The 2026 lineup consists of 3 primary trims, all featuring a 169 HP 2.0-liter engine paired with a continuously variable transmission, CVT.
Corolla Hatchback SE, starting at $24,580. Equipped with 16-inch alloy wheels, LED lighting, and an 8-inch touchscreen. Features fabric seats with 6-way manual adjustment and paddle shifters. Corolla Hatchback FX Edition, starting at $27,180. Style highlights. Pays homage to the 1980s FX16 with 18-inch gloss white alloy wheels, a black vented sport wing, and heritage badging. Interior. Adds black sport touring seats with suede inserts and orange contrast stitching, plus a 7-inch digital gauge cluster. Corolla Hatchback XSE, starting at $27,575. Premium upgrades. Includes 18-inch graphite-colored wheels, LED fog lights, and heated front seats trimmed in Softex. Advanced tech. Features an 8-speaker JBL premium audio system and dual-zone automatic climate control. Key specifications. According to official details from Toyota, the vehicle focuses on a zippy urban driving experience. Feature specification. Engine, 2.0-liter 4-cylinder dynamic force. Horsepower, 169 horsepower at 6,600 RPM. Torque, 151 pound-feet of torque at 4,800 RPM. Fuel economy, 32 city, 41 highway, 35 combined MPG SE trim. Cargo space, 17.8 cubic feet, expandable to 23 cubic feet with tire repair kit option. Safety, Toyota Safety Sense 3.0 standard. New features for 2026. FX Edition. This limited production trim, only 1,600 units for the US, is a major addition for this model year. Standard safety tech. Blind spot monitor with rear cross traffic alert is now included as standard equipment on all grades rather than being an optional upgrade. Multimedia. All trims come with the Toyota Audio Multimedia System, supporting wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. For high-performance enthusiasts, the separate 2026 GR Corolla is also available, featuring a 300 HP turbocharged engine and all-wheel drive, starting at approximately $40,120.